Good day, good people. So, this video is for anyone who wants to use Microsoft Word for screenwriting. Screenwriting programs are great. Sometimes you can't afford them at the moment. And if you're in that place, I got to a place where I was using Celtic for so long, and it's a great program, but it just got really, really expensive. And I'm kind of in between getting final draft. But I need to keep writing. Like you need to keep writing. So let me show you how to set this up so that it's in the format that you need it in for a scriptwriter. All right. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to layout. And when you go to layout, you go to margin. Now, when you go to margin, you want to go to custom margin. And this is where it's very important to be able to set this up here. Once you go to custom margin, your left should be 1.5. Everything else should be 1. Everything at top, bottom, right should be 1. You want to make sure you do that because the indent should be more indented on the left side for when you print it out or it's in a book and you want to have your holes on the side. This is where this comes in handy. So you want to make sure you do that. The next thing you want to make sure you do, you correct the right connect the right font. So you want to go Control A. The reason why you want to do this because you're going to make sure it's going to select the font for the entire document. You want to go to Courier New, regular, 12. Now you're set. Those are the first two things you want to do. This is where you want to make sure that everything is set up correctly. It's in styles plane. Now, if you look over to the right side of the screen, you'll see I have action, character, dialogue, parentheticals, scene. I set this up so that it operates no matter what I select. And I'm going to show you the right settings for each one. So let's go to scene. Let's say scene. All right, so let me back up. You have to create a style. So you want to go new style. And then in that new style, you'll name it. So once you go to new style, I'm going to modify it. You name it here. Now, what's cool about this is that your font is here. So if you want to have it, bold or italic or underline, you can do that here. Also, you want to go to format. You want to make sure automatically update is selected, and you want to go to format, paragraph. And this is where the indent that you need for it to be correct. This is what you want. Your left should be 0. Your right should be 0 to 5. 0 to 5. So this is exactly what you need for your scene. So let's go to a scene. Let's say you want to make sure you capitalize it as usual. Capitalize, scene, bathroom, day, right? You want to double space out and say, now I want to go to action. I go to my action, and my action is he is leaving the bathroom with a cup of water. All right. So how do I? It's a great thing about it. I can correct it as I go. Now, action. What are the settings for action? I'm glad you asked. Modify style. So you want to go new style. I'm modifying my style. So you would go new style, and this is exactly what it should look like. You want to name it. You got to make sure everything is succinct here. Courier New. You want to make sure that because sometimes if you have the wrong font, it doesn't matter. It will automatically format to whatever you have it. Go to format, automatically update, paragraph. This is the setting that you want for action, right? This is the setting that you want For action, 0, 0, 2, 5. Okay, cool. Done. Now let's go to character. Same thing. You select a new style. I'm modifying my style. I name it character. I go through the same process. I go to paragraph. Here's the settings for character. It's 2 on the left and 0. 2 on the left and 0. Because what it's doing is counting from the 1.5. So now it's going to be probably about here. So let's go with character. Let's put in, say, character. Mr. Thompson. Right? Now I need the dialogue, right? You go to dialogue. See how easy this is getting? You just have to set it up. You're going to go new style. I'm modifying my style that I created. I go through the same process. I name it dialogue. I go format, paragraph. Here are the exact settings for dialogue. Those are the exact settings that you need to have. So no matter what you type, you can actually go through your script and write it pretty fast. 1.38. That's what you want. Go here. Now let's add some dialogue. Hello. Uncapitalize. Hello. How are you? Oh, what if I want to say he's smiling? Oh, he's talking to someone. Parentheticals. New style. I have mine named here. I want to modify my style. Right? I name it. I go to format, paragraph. These are the settings. 1.280. These are the exact settings that you need. So make sure that you do it exactly like this. And what I have on mine is I have italicized. So happy, right? Okay, now let's add some more action. Let's go to action. Action. So now all my things are set up. Now I'm upset. Character. Let's call him Nora Johnson. Dialogue. See how easy this is getting? One thing you got to remember is you got to make sure you got to look at your caps because sometimes, everything's not capitalized, right? There you go. So let me show you an example. See if I can pull it up real quick. Let's see. All right, script I'm working on, right? Yeah. And I did it same exact way. Yeah. So it is possible to stay writing using Microsoft Word. Hey, like, subscribe, review, share this with someone that you know and love. And happy writing.